Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start understanding mobile web app and mobile apps. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Watch till end this video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, understanding mobile web and mobile apps. In today's business world, it's no longer enough just to have a website. People today access the internet on mobiles more often than computers. Bottom line, your business website needs to be mobile friendly. That is, it needs to work well on smaller screens. In this video, we will talk about how search engines have adapted to the way we now use mobiles, but how to make your website mobile friendly and some important things you should know about mobile SEO as well. Okay, imagine you are just about to prepare a dish when you have suddenly noticed that you are out of some important ingredients. Not good. You have got friends coming around later and you should need to cook that dish before evening. So you grab your mobile, jump in a cab and search your groceries for me. The search results show a few options including several supermarkets just a few streets from your flat. One of the options has a clickable phone number with you. You will be at the store soon, so you click to make call and ask for your parcel to be kept ready. Thank you mobile. This scenario is a perfect example of how many your potential customers are using mobiles. They are often on the go, pressed for the time and using search engines to look for quick answers. Search engines offer people results that match their search terms and location. They can also tell if a site is mobile friendly or not. So what does mobile friendly means exactly to you? Let's start with the technology used to build your site. There are many options available, but most search engines prefer something called responsive design. The responsive websites adapt itself depending on the size of a viewer's screen. When you have a responsive site, you don't have to create separate sites for computers and mobiles, so you can depend upon. A well-designed mobile site is usable on the smallest mobile screens. Fonts and buttons should be easy to read and click on. The navigation should be clear and simple to use. Visitors should immediately understand their next possible steps and how to take action. For example, in our online grocery scenario, there was a clickable phone number. Despite the smaller screen size, website visitors should be able to complete common important tasks for you. Once you have created a mobile-friendly site, you will want to help search engines find it, understand, and hopefully show it in the results. That's search engine optimization with a focus on mobile. Mobile SEO includes the same factors you did consider for standard websites like relevant content. But what's crucial for mobile sites optimization is performance and usability. Performance is how quickly a site loads and how it works, and how can be impacted by many things such as overlay, large images and file sizes. Usability refers to a visitor experience using your site. Generally speaking, if your site has a good mobile user experience, it will be more likely to appear in mobile search results. Here's an example. Some video and content formats can be viewed on mobile phones as well. So if that's how your site is built, it won't offer a great user experience, right? You can do a quick mobile checkup for your site by visiting Google's mobile friendly test. So let's recap. It's important to make sure your business website works on mobiles. A mobile friendly site can bring you more site visitors, give them a better experience and bring in more businesses as well. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. If you have any comments, just comment in our comment section for all your queries. Thank you.